Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a bat garland using pink felt sheets. In occasion of Pink Halloween, we are going to trace some bat outlines on this sheet. This is our half a bat and we are going to cut it. So we are going to make as many bats as we need using this process, and then we are going to glue these onto a jute twine. So I have cut out bats from different pink shades and now I am going to glue them on this jute twine. You can either string these bats or you can use hot glue to hold them in place. Just make sure not to burn yourself with the hot glue. I often get burned. Keep gluing the bats in different shades and shapes. And there we go. See how easy this DIY pink Halloween bat garland is? Let us know if you try this at home and what else would you include to this. Happy Halloween!